hii ni strategy moja ya under 7 yenye I feel like kila trader anafaa kuwe nayo, okay? And kama unakuanga interested na kuelewa market ya under 7, this video is for you. So watch it till the end. It might be a bit longer, but kama unataka knowledge, utaiangalia, okay? So save this video and share it to a friend because I'm sure that chenye nitawapea hapa itawajenga ama niaje. So market under 7 inakuanga rahisi sana. I want to be a bit brief because nikienda pole pole I might not be able to cover everything that I'm supposed to cover, okay? So the first step, nataka niwapea conditions today, so it means that we're not going to trade, but at the end of this session utaelewa hiyo market vizuri, okay? So first of all, make sure that you're on the right website, and being on the right website it's very simple. Utakuja kwa browser yako, that is the first step, okay? So you just type Greenpro.Site, okay? Hivo, I hope kila mtu anaona pale, nimeweka that screen at least nikiweka hapo kila mtu aweze kuiona vizuri. Tuko pamoja? Yep. So I'm going to you're going to click right here after ume type hivi, itakuletea hii link hapa imeandikwa build a trading bot without coding, okay? Unaona hivyo, then kuna hapo mbele Greenpro.Site, so you're just going to click it like that, then itakuleta kwa hii amazing platform, okay? So ukikuja hapa hivi you can log into your derivative account. Nitaonyesha because nitapause hii screen niende niwaelezee hapo practically, okay? But nisha login, kuna account ya $2,123. I think it's good naonyesha mwanzo before we proceed. I'll be able to zoom kidogo tu, sijui kama itaonekana vizuri but I'm sure mtaona. So that's my account, sijui kama mnaiona. So that's it, niko na account ya 2,123 USD, and that's my live account, okay? So we're going to first of all understand the conditions. We say in each and every market, understanding the conditions in the market and how to analyze the market is the most important and interesting part of it, okay? The moment unajua hizo conditions, you'll always find it easy to trade by yourself, okay? So kitu ya kwanza, make sure that ukisha login unakuja hapa kwa dtrader. Dtrader ndio hii hapa. Hii itakupea zile circles because in this strategy tutatumia zile circles za kitambo ku analyze market. So just going to open like that, then itakupeleka pale, okay? Huu ina take a bit some time to open, but if you give it time itafunguka tu haraka because it's a very heavy application. So unakuja hapa hivi kwa dtrader, unafungua hata kama be it you're using your phone or maybe your laptop, you'll be good to go. Sini sawa? Haya. So as you can see nisha open pale hivi. I hope kila mtu anaona. That is the second step. So you're going to click right here, you open the dtrader just like that, okay? So itakuletea hivyo. Nikienda pale nitawaelezea kila kitu, but first of all nataka tukuja hapa hivi kwa notebook. Hapa hivi mwanzo tuelewe hizo conditions. Tuko pamoja? So let me show you. So this is the strategy it itself, okay? So I want to explain the conditions. So that is the under 7 strategy, as you can see on that title, okay? So I'm going to delete this just like that, okay? So we're going to understand the conditions first. So kwa market here under 7, okay, we are only focusing on digit 6 and below, okay? So that is a 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and digit 0, okay? I hope kila mtu tuko pamoja. So having that in mind, it means that digit 6, that is a 7, 8 and 9 are excluded in this case because we don't want them to appear, okay? So they are our enemies in this market, okay? So if this market, these digits, or maybe either 7, 8 or 9 appear as our exit spots in each market, definitely we are going to lose that contract, okay? But 6 ikitokea, or maybe 5, 3, 4, 2, 1 and 0, we're going to win that contract. Tuko pamoja? Aya, so nimesema I'll be a bit brief. So nitapeana tu the conditions which are very simple according to my strategy. Now this one is a million strategy because risk management inakuanga very okay. Hapo hakuna risk sana because the moment umeelewa vizuri you'll be good to go. So first of all, make sure that ukifungua zile D-Trade app hivi, let me show you. Ukikuja hapa hivi, utapata you can change this to any digit market, but for us we are going for over under. Utapata kuna hizi circles hapa chini. Unaona hizi? So utapata kuna red bar na kuna green bar. So hiyo arc or maybe red arc na green arc, okay? So the red bar or maybe the red arc usually represents the digit that appeared most on the chart for the last 1,000 ticks, okay? Then also the red bar is representing the digit that appeared least on the chart for the last 1,000 ticks. One tick means a change of one digit to another. I hope kila mtu anaelewa vizuri. So those two digits, and not two because I'll add in two more. So just stay tuned. So those two more digits, which is the most appearing and the least appearing digits, should be on either digit 6 or below, okay? So most appearing and least hazifai zikuwe kwa 7, 8 and 9. No. Kwa pamoja? Aya. So that is the first condition. So this is what we call the second most appearing, because in the market tutapata kuna ile digit ilikuwa na appear ikifuatana na the most appearing. So that is the digit that I'm talking about. Now for that digit lazima pia ikuwe kwa hii range, that is the 6 and below, because at the end of the day hii most appearing, for example let's assume that most appearing ilikuwa kwa 5 na second most appearing ilikuwa kwa digit let's say 3. So hii ikidecline in power ama ikishuka ama ikidecrease in percentage, definitely this one will be gaining, okay? And in the process of gaining, there will be a high probability that this digit will be appearing sana pale kwa chart, and that is our wish, because tunataka zitokee sana for us to be on the safe side, okay? Now on digit least appearing, let's assume that maybe least appearing digit ilikuwa kwa digit 0, okay, for example. Then ile digit inafuatwa na least ilikuwa kwa digit 1. Tuko pamoja? So in case this is the least appearing and this is the one that is being followed by the least appearing. So in case this one gains power, this is the least appearing, this one will be declining in power. So there will be a bit of competition between the two. So in the process, the chances of these two digits appearing will be very high. And that's the reason that tumesema hizo 4 digits lazima zikuwe kwa digit 6 and below. Understand those 4 digits. That is the most appearing, second most appearing, least appearing, and also the digit that is being followed by the least appearing digit. I hope kila mtu tuko pamoja. Yeah. So make sure that you check all those conditions before confirming an entry. Okay? Let me create a new page ndio niwaelezee mambo na entry point sasa. So ni strategy simple sana, inakuanga very perfect, sorry. So we're talking about the entry point. Pamoja, entry, okay, which is always very important, okay? Very important when it comes to digit trading, okay? Yeah, so for the entry point, make sure that you can use the digit that is gaining power between 7, 8 and 9, okay? First of all, between 7, 8 and 9, there should be 2 digits that are having less than 10%, okay? That is the first condition. Any two, any, underline the word any two. Tuko pamoja, be it 8 and 9, 7 and 8, or maybe 7 and 9, and so on and so on. So yenye itakuwa na again, for example, let's assume that 8 na 9 ziko na less than 10%, ziko na something like 9.8%, 9.7%, okay, consecutively, 8 and 9. So 7 ikuwe na something like 10.3%. So tutatumia hii entry kama entry point, provided that zile digits zingine zote ziko on the underside of the market, okay? I hope kila mtu tuko pamoja, ama ni aje? So the other one is whereby you can use the red bar kama entry point. Let me explain a bit before hii video iishe. So kama red bar iko on digit 7, 8 or 9, you're going to use the red bar if, only if, underline the word only, if the digit that is competing with the red bar iko kwa digit 6 and below. I think that one is well explained. Nimesema due to the time sitaweza kufanya market moja, but I believe that kila mtu ameelewa, okay? Yeah, so tupatane 4 pm live trading hapa TikTok. Mambo niko sure itaendelea kuchemka, ama ni aje? Yeah, so let's keep printing together on Greenpro.Site. Click the link that is on my TikTok profile, join my channel, that is my WhatsApp channel, na kama unataka my PDFs unaweza ni reach out by the number on my profile, text me on WhatsApp. So all the best guys, see you all at the top.